Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for clicking and always finding your sweet time to come and watch my videos. My sweet name is Zesh Nyaga, and today we have an interesting video. And before we start the video, I would like to appreciate each and every one of you. For those who have subscribed to my channel, those who watch my videos, anyone who leaves a comment down below, and for those who give my videos a like, I really appreciate a lot. May God bless you all. So today we are going today I'm going to share with you how I clean my fridge and organize it. It's just a small fridge, how I clean it, what I use to clean it, and how I organize it. So without any further ado, let's get to the video. So this how my fridge looks like. It's not that big, and it has this side and this upper side. So we are basically going to clean it up, then we organize it again. This how the outside of my fridge looks like. And on top of it, I prefer keeping some of the things like my sugar, specifically my sugar, I keep it here, and maybe snacks because of easy accessibility for the kids. I also prefer keeping my Weetabix or cornflakes here, so that at least those things that I need to access in the morning, I don't struggle looking for them. What do you put on top of your fridge? Let me know on the comment box. I also have this white kitchen towel for my fridge. That's what I use to clean my fridge. And then this cling film for wrapping my fruits or any food that I've packaged. So the inside looks like this. That's where I'm supposed to keep my eggs, but I've never stored my eggs there because I don't really see the sense of putting eggs in a fridge. Yet I have the tray, the egg tray. I've never put eggs there, and it's because I don't know why they are put there. Yet I have a tray. If you put your eggs inside your fridge, you can tell us on the comment box, as in what's all about putting eggs on in your fridge. So on this side we have I keep basically my vegetables. That's my coriander, and that's how I wrap my coriander. If you don't know how to store coriander in your fridge, just wash your coriander well or dhania, then wrap it with a clean kitchen towel. They can stay like that even for a whole month. On this side, these are my matokes. Matoke is these are bananas that are not ripe, as in the bananas that are used for cooking, especially for the kids or for anyone. So as you all can see, the fridge is empty. And we actually need to clean it. It's not that dirty because I clean it after every like 1 week. So for cleaning it, I need some warm water. This is my warm water. I also need vinegar and kitchen towel. This is not even a kitchen towel. It's specifically for the fridge. This is what I use to wipe the fridge. Next, I'm going to pour in just a few drops of the vinegar like this. That's enough. Then we start the actual cleaning, and for the cleaning we just need to squeeze out the excess water like this. Then start from the top. You can start huko chini as you come up. We start from the top like this. I've never even removed these makaratasi since I bought the fridge. I don't know why I keep them there. So this basically what it entails, the cleaning. Remember, the warm water will help you in removing all this water, I think water vapor. It's not that big, so take your time. Even if it's so big, take your time, clean everywhere, because we want it to be spotlessly clean. As you can see, we have some stuck ice here. Let me show you how I do it. So this is the spoolie that I use to remove all this stuck whatever. So this is my rinsing water. It's warm water, not really warm, just like a small warmth or a little warmth. Then we are going to squeeze the face towel, extremely squeezing, and wipe out everything, so that we leave the fridge open for around 1 hour, and we come back to arrange everything. Looks like. So that's where I keep my minced meats or meat, but it's so rare to find me keeping meat in the fridge because I can locally buy it on a daily basis. But for the chicken, because we can't slaughter chicken every day, I stock chicken in the fridge. These are my ice. This is my ice maker. It has some ice inside. There's nothing there. Then right here we have these are peas. On top we have some soft maize, arrowroots, matoke. Down there we have okay, I love arranging my things in a strategic way. On these shelves specifically, these are uncooked food. Right here, these for the fruits, purely fruits. At the far end, we have melon, we have bananas. I have my kiwi fruit. These are my strawberries. We have apple. That's a piece of cabbage. In fact, it should be down here, but it's full. These are my spinach. This is my coriander. We have kunde here. This way I prefer keeping my milk. Down here we have carrots. Hope you can see we have carrots. We have capsicum. On this far end we have tomatoes, and at the corner right there we have mangoes. Coming to this other side, the top has nothing. These are my, how do we call this, by the way? These are my sultanas. I use them when I'm doing baking. Down here I have my yogurt. My flavor is vanilla, of course. This is my yogurt. We have
minutes made. Then we have soy sauce right here. This is my soy sauce. And that's all. I think we've come to the end of the video. Let me know what you think about my arrangement. It's an arrangement for just a small fridge, and I love it because I'm able to maintain it and everything can fit here.
Come to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching, and let's meet on my next one. Bye.